If you forget your Gmail password, you can easily recover it. For this, you need to follow the Google account password recovery process. Now tap on Gmail app. Click on the three dots button. Tap on Setting. Tap on Gmail account name. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Click on Password Manage. Here you can see the passwords of all apps starting from your Gmail password. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and comment and let us know how the video went.